Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn how can we convert the online currency converter into Excel sheet. So first we are going to open up this browser X-Rates. This is the page. Now we are going to copy the URL and we are going to open up the Excel page. Once we are in the Microsoft Excel, where you see where it says data, now over there you will find from web. You just have to click on the from web and then a pop-up box will pop on the screen where you will need to paste the URL which we have copied and then click on OK. Soon the page will be popping up where we have to select what do we want to paste in the Excel sheet. Now as you see, the page is loading. Now out of these three boxes we have to select on table 1 and then click on load. Soon it will be there on the screen. Now see on the left hand side, sorry, on the right hand side, the queries and connections are there. Now if we double click on it, the page will coming up on the screen. Okay, but we don't want this. We want the thing on there on the Excel sheet itself. Now over there you see where it says under data tab you will find existing connections. So just click on existing connection. Now query table 1 is there, right? So just click on open. Now it will ask you where you want to paste the information. So it's already, you see the dancing ends, it's already there where it says A1. It's already there, and out of it you can also select the options like table, pivot table, report, okay, pivot chart. So I'm just going to give a simple table, a standard table. Once I click on OK, now it will be there on the screen. Okay, now before that, well, this is the information which is there on the screen. Okay, now you can select like Indian rupees. First I'm going to deselect everything, just I'm going to select Indian rupees. Now it's there on the screen. Okay, so today's rate is 244 for 1 Kuwaiti dinar, 244 and 66 paise for 1 Kuwaiti dinar. Okay, even we can add the columns here like amount sent. We can edit these things. Amount and then total amount sent. Now suppose one, I just, this is just a reference. Okay, now see, now suppose we are sending 200 Kuwaiti dinar, so it will be 48,932 and 74 paise in Indian currency. Okay, And suppose if I am sending 600 Kuwaiti dinar, then it will be 1,46,798 and 23 paise there in India. Okay, and also what I am going to do is I'm going to select all. Then see, these things will keep on refreshing. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the properties. This is the properties. So refresh after every 1 minute, and that's all, even before opening, after opening the file. So it will keep on refreshing. So this is very handy, this is very easy. Okay, thank you guys.